Good morning, Trailblazers. Welcome to Wolf TV.
I'm Jamal.
And I'm Abraham.
And here's today's announcements.
Today we will go through all 7 periods.
Mega Blaster Fundraiser kickoff will be held on August 18, 2022.
Grade level PBIS/discipline assemblies will be held on August 19th, 2022.
Fall pictures will be September 16, 2022. Students will be taking their pictures in their social studies.
Open house will be in person on September 15th, 2022 at 6 p.m.
Today's lunch is chicken nuggets and mashed potatoes.
Attention all runners. Our Runners Club will start Tuesday, August 17th at 7:30 a.m. Runners should meet at the track ready to run. Bring your school clothes to change into after. Everyone is welcome. Any questions, please contact Coach Rigomar.
Thanks for watching.
Be kind to one another and have a good day.
And as
always,
let's go
Trailblazers.
Wolf out!